Alrighty, the rest of 4-2. I was going to do your Paul Harvey there, the rest of the story, but you're probably too young to know what that even means. All right, sum, difference, product, quotient, we just did that. Composition of functions, we just did that. All right, do some more examples. Show f of g equals g of f for all x. All right, so letter A, we're going to do f of g of x, which means we're going to take g, which is this, and we're going to plug into f here. So we're going to get quantity cubed root of x cubed. Cubing a cubed root cancels out, and we're left with x. G of f of x. We're going to plug f into g, so f into g. So this is going into here. We're going to have the cubed root of x cubed. And cubing a, cubing a cube cancels out. X equals x. We did as asked. All right, next up, we're going to do letter B. Show that f of h equals h of f. Okay. All right, f of h. We're taking h and putting into f. So we're going to have quantity 3. Oh, I might as well write the notation down for you. Kind of lazy of me there. We're doing f of h of x. So we're taking h, which is 3x, and plugging into f. So we're going to have 3x quantity cubed. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and x cubed is x cubed. H of f of x. Okay, h of f. F is going into h. So we're going to go 3 times x cubed. We're putting f into, okay, so that's 3x cubed. They ain't the same, obviously, unless x is 0. It does work for x is 0. That's the only one it works for. That's what it wants us to do. Only one value of x. We got it. Right there it is. All right. Now here, we're going to find h of g of f of 4. The only difference is we're going to have a number. So I'm just going to do 22 because I have more space to work with. So the first thing I have to do is f of 9. So here's f of 9, square root 9, which is 3. Then I have to take h of 3. H is here, x over 3, 3 over 3, which is 1. Now I have to take g of 1. G of 1 is 6 times 1 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. That's all there is to it. Start on the inside, work your way out. All right, express as a composition of the 3. Okay, so what we want to do is break this apart into a composition of functions. We want to get something like h of f, and that says 3. H of f of j of x, or something like that, so that it would equal that. So what we do is we look at this, and what I tried to do is figure out what would be the last thing. If I had to simplify this, and I knew like x was 10 or something, what would I do last? Well, the last thing I would do is take square root of whatever I get inside. So I know that my g has to come last. So whatever is last goes first. Okay, and then in this problem on the inside, I would do inside the parentheses and then cube. So cubing has to go next. And then inside the parentheses is x minus 4, which is h is x minus 4. So that would be that function there. You can plug it in, try it, see how it works for you. Once again, square root 26. Square root is going last, so I know I'm starting with g. I have an x cubed minus 4 inside. Okay, x cubed minus 4. How can we possibly put that together? Well, if I were going to do that, what would I do? I would cube and then subtract the 4. So would I go h is x minus 4? Would that go? And then would the cubing go here, which is f? Does that work? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I count my parentheses, sorry. So if I took f, which is x cubed, and plugged into h, which I would get x cubed minus 4, and then I would say, yeah, absolutely that works. Wow. Just going like kind of backwards like that. Crazy. All right, next section, we're going to find the rules. Don't worry about the domain. If that's in the homework, scratch that out. All right, I really don't want to bore you with this. F of g, g of f. I don't know. Is any one look harder than the other one? Maybe the first one look harder, maybe? I don't know. So we're going to go f of g of x. We're going to take g, which is this, and plug into here. So we have the square root of 1 over x minus 4. Really nothing you can do with that. If you wanted to mess around with rationalized denominator, you may. Well, that's saying they're equal. What am I doing? G of f of x would be taking f and putting it into g, which would give us 1 over the square root of x minus 4. Once again, other than rationalized in denominator. So, not that big a deal there. You guys should be able to handle that well. These are the fun ones. You get to create a composition of functions out of a function that you're given. So, pretty cool. All right, good luck. Keep me up to date with what's happening, any questions or whatnot. See you in class. Have a good one.